Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. We ramp your kitchen with a fresh coat of paint and trendy wall color combinations that make the space feel entirely new. From vibrant uses that creates energy to claiming pastels from a serene cooking environment, the right wall shade can significantly impact the ambience. Learn how to pair colors like classic white with deep navy or try suitable beige with a soft mild, both of which work well with the most kitchen cabinets and countertops. If you are looking to make a bold statement, go for contrasting tones like black and yellow or navy and mustard. These guide also offers insight into essence of wall that add depth and dimension to your cooking area without overwhelming the space. Explore which colors combos best match different materials such as wood, stone, or metal finishes. Give your kitchen a cohesive model feel. Whether you want a dramatic transformation or a subtle fresh, these ideas can turn your kitchen into a piece you will love spending time in it. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.